Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa 4 Malawi Kwaches. The original Prusa 4 Malawi Kwaches 3D printer kit is a premium DIY 3D printer designed for hobbyists, educators, and professionals seeking a reliable and user-friendly 3D printing experience. Known for its precision and performance, the 4 Malawi Kwaches comes as an easy-to-assemble kit, making it ideal for beginners and those who enjoy building their machines. The assembly process is engaging and educational, providing insight into the mechanics of 3D printing. A standout feature of the 4 Malawi Kwaches is its automatic calibration system, which simplifies the setup process and ensures accurate printing without manual adjustments. The printer includes removable print sheets, making it easier to detach completed prints and maintain the build plate. It supports a generous build volume of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, 250 by 210 by 220 millimeters, suitable for a wide variety of projects, from small prototypes to larger functional parts. The kit also includes a sample of Prusa filament, allowing users to begin printing immediately. Its compatibility with multiple materials such as PLA, PTG, and ABS enhances its versatility. With advanced features like silent stepper drivers and a high-quality extruder, the 4 Malawi Kwaches ensures smooth and precise operation. Prusa's reputation for excellent customer support and detailed assembly instructions is another significant advantage. The 4 Malawi Kwaches is backed by a robust community and a wealth of online resources, including tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn about 3D printing or an experienced maker looking for a reliable and customizable machine, the Prusa 4 Malawi Kwaches delivers a rewarding experience. Its blend of quality, ease of use, and expandable features makes it a top choice in the DIY 3D printing market. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is a high-performance DIY 3D printer, designed to cater to both beginners and experienced users with its blend of speed, precision, and ease of use. Known for its 250 mm per second printing speed, the Ender-3 V3 delivers fast and efficient printing while maintaining high-quality output, making it suitable for hobbyists and professionals. One of its standout features is the CR Touch Auto Leveling System, which simplifies the calibration process, ensuring a perfectly leveled print bed for consistent results. The Sprite Direct Extruder enhances filament handling by providing precise control and compatibility with a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, PTG, and TPU. Additionally, the Autoload filament feature makes filament changes more convenient. The printer is equipped with a dual Z-axis design, providing enhanced stability during printing, particularly for taller models. A sturdy Y-axis further contributes to smooth and accurate motion. With a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, the Ender-3 V3 accommodates a wide range of projects, from small prototypes to moderately sized functional prints. Assembly is straightforward, with the DIY kit offering a rewarding build experience. The printer also features a user-friendly interface and robust community support, ensuring accessible troubleshooting and upgrades. The Ender-3 V3 is a versatile and budget-friendly option for those seeking reliable performance and advanced features. Whether you're diving into 3D printing for the first time or looking for an upgrade, the Ender-3 V3 offers speed, precision, and ease of use at an affordable price point, making it an excellent choice for makers of all levels. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a cutting-edge device designed for fast and efficient 3D printing, combining speed, precision, and user-friendly features. With an impressive 500 mm per second printing speed, it significantly reduces print times while maintaining high-quality output, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists, educators, and professionals alike. The printer is equipped with an all-metal hot end that supports temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, enabling compatibility with a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PTG, and TPU. This versatility makes it suitable for diverse applications, from simple prototypes to more complex functional parts. A key feature of the M5C is its 7x7 auto-leveling system, which ensures precise calibration and a perfectly leveled print bed for consistent results. Its intuitive controls allow users to manage the printer seamlessly across multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers, enhancing convenience and flexibility. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, the M5C offers ample space for various projects while maintaining a compact footprint. Its sturdy construction and advanced design ensure reliable performance and durability, even during high-speed operations. The M5C is particularly appealing for its straightforward setup and operation, making it accessible for beginners while offering advanced features for experienced users. Backed by Anker's reputation for quality and reliability, the printer also benefits from strong community support and resources. Overall, the AnkerMake M5C delivers a compelling combination of speed, versatility, and ease of use. Its ability to handle high-speed printing with precision, support for high-temperature materials, and intuitive multi-device control make it an excellent option for anyone looking to enhance their 3D printing capabilities. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini combo is a compact, high-performance 3D printing solution, featuring the A1 Mini 3D printer paired with the AMS Lite module for multicolor printing. This combination delivers a seamless and efficient 3D printing experience, catering to both beginners and advanced users. The A1 Mini excels in high-speed and precision printing, producing detailed and accurate models while significantly reducing print times. Its full auto-calibration ensures hassle-free setup, with precise leveling and adjustments for optimal results. Additionally, the printer features active flow rate compensation, maintaining consistent material flow for superior print quality. A standout feature is its ability to handle multicolor 3D printing, enabled by the AMS Lite module. This feature expands creative possibilities, making it ideal for artistic, educational, and professional projects. Despite its advanced capabilities, the A1 Mini maintains a user-friendly interface, ensuring accessibility for all experience levels. The printer operates at a whisper-quiet noise level of less than or equal to 48 dB, making it suitable for home, classroom, or office environments without causing disturbances. Its compact design and robust build further enhance convenience and reliability. With versatile material compatibility and an intuitive design, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini supports a wide range of applications, from prototyping to decorative and functional prints. Its community-driven ecosystem and comprehensive support ensure users have access to resources for troubleshooting and upgrades. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini combo stands out for its innovative features, precision, and ease of use. Its high-speed performance, multicolor printing capabilities, and quiet operation make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile and efficient 3D printer that combines functionality and creativity in a compact form. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is a user-friendly, reliable 3D printing solution designed for educational, professional, and home environments. It features a swappable Smart Extruder Plus, enabling seamless operation and consistent results when printing with PLA material. The extruder's smart technology minimizes downtime and ensures smooth material feeding for reliable prints. With a factory-leveled flex build plate, the Replicator Plus eliminates the need for manual calibration, offering a hassle-free setup experience. The flexible build plate allows for easy removal of completed prints, enhancing convenience and reducing the risk of damage to models during detachment. The printer's 11.6x 7.6x 6.5 inch, 29.5 by 19.3 by 16.5 centimeters, build volume is well suited for a variety of projects, ranging from small prototypes to moderately sized models. It is optimized for PLA material, making it an excellent choice for those prioritizing simplicity, safety, and environmental friendliness in 3D printing. The Replicator Plus is designed with fast printing in mind, delivering high-quality results while minimizing print times. Its compatibility with MakerBot's software ecosystem provides an intuitive user interface for model preparation and printer management, while cloud connectivity allows remote monitoring and control. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users, the MakerBot Replicator Plus emphasizes reliability, ease of use, and quality. It is especially suitable for schools and collaborative environments, thanks to its durable construction and focus on safety. Overall, the MakerBot Replicator Plus desktop 3D printer kit combines precision, convenience, and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable and beginner-friendly 3D printer. Whether for education, hobby projects, or small-scale professional work, the Replicator Plus delivers a high-quality printing experience in a compact and easy-to-use package.